I've been living in a 17 square meter apartment a little bit outside of Stockholm, and this is my experience. I was living here for 2 years. I was sleeping on a sofa bed for 2 years. I've now moved into an apartment with my boyfriend and his 2 kids. It's been a really big lifestyle change again, from one extreme to another. I'm so grateful that I've been staying in this apartment for 2 years. It's been tiny, but I'm not so tall anyway. I've had a really cozy time here. I've been going through a lot of changes, living abroad for 5 years and then living in my backpack for 4 years. And this was kind of my first home after that whole journey. So it's been a lot of integration about moving back to Sweden and leaving that nomadic lifestyle, finding a more stable home situation. It's been a journey. And now a new journey is starting. This is a little apartment tour of this 17 square meter apartment that I've been staying in. It's around 1 hour away from Stockholm Central. You can take a bus, and the bus takes around 30 minutes to Gullmarsplan, and from there you have to take the subway to the central. I've been paying 5,680 kroners per month, with electricity included and warm water included. So it's not super much, but it's also pretty much. If we compare the rent to other big cities in Europe, it's not the end of the world. But it's still 1 hour away from Stockholm Central. It's a sublet, which means that I've been renting it from my neighbor next door. And it's been pretty heavy. It's been heavy because the woman that I rented it from in the beginning, she passed away. I've kind of been a part of that experience a little bit. Not completely in it, because I don't know them so much, but they're my landlords and also my neighbors, so obviously I've felt the heaviness. I'm also experiencing a lot of deaths in my family right now, which is also pretty heavy. Let's not talk about heaviness, let's talk about this apartment tour. So it's 17 square meters. My living room is in the same room as my bedroom and my work office and my kitchen. I've also had a hallway, which is good because then the space felt a little bit bigger, and a bathroom with a shower. It has a pretty nice view. Now all the leaves are turning yellow and orange and red, and it's nice to see the transition from summer to autumn, and then autumn to winter, and winter to spring, and spring to summer. Being a part of seasons is pretty cool. I didn't really experience that when I was living in my backpack because I was always following the sun, always going to warm places where the sun was shining and I was warm in warmth in summer all the time. And now I'm in Sweden experiencing the seasonal shifts, which is cool. The apartment has been cozy. It's been cool to get my own furniture. Most of them, except for the sofa bed, has been free. So I've been going to marketplaces to get the furniture to the apartment. And it's been growing. I've also realized how much stuff I've been buying, unnecessary stuff. And that's also a bit crazy, going from a nomadic lifestyle where everything I own was in a backpack to having this space where I can buy things, and it's just been piling up. And now finally I'm letting go of a lot of things, but I'm also bringing some things to the new apartment. So this channel has been very inactive for a while, but here I am. I will upload more things. I have a dream and I have a plan, and I want it to come into fruition. I want it to happen. And I am gonna make it happen. It's been a lot of personal development with myself in my personal life, moving back to Sweden. It takes a while for me to adapt, but not at all, actually. I'm pretty fast with adapting at the same time. It's just making things move. I've been losing myself a bit with work, and also meeting my partner and moving in with him. So a lot of my focus and energy has been focused on letting go of things that I've grown away from. We do this in life, right? We live and we learn and we let go and we take in. And it's like the cycle of life and death. I'm excited for this new journey in my life. I've loved this apartment. It's been a really cool apartment. Sweden is my home country and I love it. I also hate it. It's a love-hate relationship, as with everything in life except myself. Because why hate yourself? You're only human. We're all humans experiencing this life together, individually, and as a team, and as you. It's a little mix of everything. I'm super grateful for the opportunity to stay here for almost 2 years. I'm even more excited for the new journey that is ahead. I'm gonna record more videos. I haven't even recorded anything. I've been stressed. I've been losing myself to work and, you know, the hamster wheel instead of focusing on my passions. But I'm finding myself again. I'm finding the passion within to do what I want to do instead of what I have to do. And then I have to do what I want to do. So we can all be united as one, because we're all one. Thank you for watching. My name is Emily Robin. I do YouTube videos. I also do TikTok videos. You can check out my TikTok account here. I have 2 accounts, one in English and one in Swedish. You can follow both. You can also follow me here. And I want you to be in love with life and with the transitions of life, the changes that we all go through, because it's beautiful. And sadness is beautiful, and beauty is beautiful, and you are beautiful. I'll see you soon again. I won't let you wait long this time. Love you.